Hey guys, are you here to learn how to gain subscribers fast? So I'm Gash Guru. I'm gonna teach you that. So let's start. So before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel because from now on I'm going to give a shout out to random subscribers and also do giveaways. So once you are subscribed, you can comment on my video. So the first thing is collaboration. Collaboration helps a lot. You can collaborate with the person who has the same amount of subscribers as you have. For example, just imagine the person you are collaborating with has 2000 subscribers and you have 2000 subscribers, then you have a chance to get more 2000 subscribers easily. And 2000 plus 2000 is 4000, and that's a lot of subscribers. So the second step is sub for sub. So there are many groups which have been made on social media platforms like Instagram, Discord, Facebook, where you can ask people to subscribe your YouTube channel, and in return they ask you to subscribe their YouTube channel. So this is a very good method to get subscribers fast, but they are not your fans. Remember that. They can unsubscribe to your channel after subscribing to your channel. So yeah. So the third thing is getting shout out from the ones who have more subscribers than you. So if you want to win a free shout out and gain more subscribers, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I said I'm going to give random shout outs to random subscribers and also do giveaways. So the fourth and final thing is personally my favorite method, which I call it the trend method. I used this method in my past videos. You can check my popular upload section on my channel page. So in this method, what you have to do is go to the trending section of your YouTube homepage and search for the topic you wanna make videos on, and you can also set the filter of the most views or most subscribed ones. So that is it for today, guys. Make sure to subscribe my channel to win a free shout out and get a good amount of subscribers. And thank you for watching. Goodbye. Peace.